Hi everyone, this is Samsung Xpress M2070W, and in this video I will show you how to set up this multifunctional printer for printing and scanning via Wi-Fi. We will go through all connection methods including WPS, Wi-Fi Direct, Wi-Fi Wizard. Also I will show you how to set up different devices for printing and scanning on this printer. So let's get into it. First you need to power on the printer, so make sure it's plugged into the power socket and press the power button. Then wait for system initialize and warming up. Once the printer stops making any sounds and this circle around the navigation buttons glowing solid, you can proceed to connection. The first connection method is WPS. To connect via WPS, it's very simple guys, you just need to find WPS button on your router. Here it is. Then press this button once. And now within 2 minutes you need to press and hold WPS button on your printer. Just like this. Until you see this text. And now wireless indicator is blinking and you see the connecting message, and just wait about a minute until it will be connected. Now it's connected and the printer will give you network configuration page. Now the printer is connected to this network, which is named My Wi-Fi in my case, so any device that is connected to the same network can see this printer and connect it to print and scan. You can connect also to 5 GHz band if you have one. The main goal is connect to the same router or mesh system. Next, let's enable Wi-Fi feature on this printer so that you will be able to connect to the printer directly without connecting to the shared Wi-Fi networks. So let's press menu button to do it. Now use the right arrow to find number 4, network, press OK, then switch to Wi-Fi, find Wi-Fi direct, press OK, make sure on/off is selected, press OK, select on and press OK one more time. It's saved. Now press the back button 2 times, 1, 2. Make sure you are in 4.network menu and find network configuration. Press OK and answer yes and press OK to print the network configuration page one more time. Now in the lower section you have your Wi-Fi direct information, included a current SSID, which means your printer's network name, network key, which means password, and also important information is IP address. So keep this page, we will need it in future. And now let me show you how to connect via Wi-Fi Wizard in the printer settings. This method might be of use if you don't have WPS button on your router or just don't have access to this feature. Sometimes it happens, so what you need to do? You already know how to enable Wi-Fi Direct on your printer, so enable it and then connect any device, either smartphone or computer, to the printer's direct network. So open your Wi-Fi networks list. And now find the printer's SSID, click on that, click on connect, enter the network key, now hit enter to connect, and once connected, open a web browser and in New tab click on the search bar. And here type in the printer's direct IP address, this one. Now hit enter and it takes you to the printer's settings menu. What you need to do here is log in, so click on login. Default ID is admin and default password is follow my lead, SEC and 5 times 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignore an antivirus if you see some windows like that. So SEC, small letters SEC and 5 times 0. Then click on login. Now answer no in this window, you don't need it so far. You see settings tab. Now select network settings and in the left panel select Wi-Fi. Now click on Wizard button next to Easy Wi-Fi settings and select your Wi-Fi network you wish to connect the printer to. Then click Next and enter your Wi-Fi network key 2 times. So click on Next, check the information, click on Apply, and now your printer is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Also, if your printer was in use somewhere else before and everything is working not as you expected, you can reset the network settings to default and set up printer from scratch. So to do this, press on Menu, then find number 4 Network, press OK, press the left arrow once to find Clear Settings, then press OK one more time and answer Yes. Now it's clearing. And you have this message, please reboot. So you need to press the power button and hold it for a while. Now the printer is off, and power it on once again. And wait for system initialize and warming up. Now all network settings are restored to factory default and you can set up the printer from scratch. Now let's set up your computer for wireless printing and scanning. I suppose you've already connected the printer to your home Wi-Fi network and connected your computer to the same wireless network. Next, for Mac users, it's very easy. You just need to install one driver. For Windows users, you need to add the printer to the system first. So click on the Start icon. On the taskbar, select Settings. Now in the search bar, start typing printer and select printers and scanners from this drop-down, and now click on Add Device. Now your device is found. You can add device by the device name or by the host name. The host name is printed in the network configuration page, so check if it matches this host name and click on Add Device. Now it's connected, but you need to wait until the ready word appears under the host name. Wait for a while. Now it's ready and you need to install drivers to use this printer from your computer. So you can close the settings, open any web browser, and in the search bar type in Samsung Xpress M2070W drivers. Click on that and go to HP support website by the first link. Why HP? Because HP acquired Samsung Printers division in 2017 and now is managing all the software related to the printers. So click on this link and first of all select your OS. You can choose a different OS if it's not detected automatically. So for Mac users, select Mac OS, select your Mac OS version. Click on Update, scroll down, expand this section, Driver Product Installation Software, expand Basic Drivers, and now you need to just download this driver and you can start using your printer. The same for Linux users, Linux, version, update, expand this, install this driver and go on. For Windows users, even if you use Windows 11, I recommend you to select Windows 10, 32-bit or 64-bit, depending of your system type. So click on Update. Now scroll down and expand this section, Driver Product Installation Software. Then expand Basic Drivers and download Scan Driver and Print Driver. Now it's disappeared, so let's refresh the page or press go back. Click on this link again, select Windows 10, expand this section, basic drivers, and download the second driver. Now open your downloads folder, open File Explorer, find Downloads, and install the printer driver. Double click to open. Answer yes in this window. In this window, pick Next. Accept the terms and conditions. Click Next. Now click on Existing Printer. Next. Now your printer is detected. Click Next. Make sure this checkbox is checked. Next. Next once again, and wait for the installation to be completed. Click Next. You can print a test page, but I will skip this step for now. I will show you how to print later, and just click on Finish over here and repeat the same steps for the second driver. After you've installed the two drivers or one driver in the case of Mac or Linux, you can print from any application that allows to print. Let's say you want to print an email, so you need to open your mail service, select an email you wish to print, click on that, then find the printing icon. Click on that, it takes you to the printing dialog. Printing settings are about the same in all basic applications. They can be more difficult in some professional applications, like applications for engineers, designers, architects, and so on. But we are going to go through basics only in this guide. So make sure your printer is selected in destination. Select how many pages do you want to print, all of them or odd or even pages for two-sided printing, or you can click on custom and set the page range, or specify number of pages comma separated, 1 and 3 only, for example. So let's set to all. Select how many copies do you wish to make. Select layout, click on more settings. Set your paper size, A4 in my case, but you can select different. How many pages per sheet you wish to print. Let's set to 2 pages per sheet, and it will look like this. As you can see in preview, you can set margins, but not in this case. As you can see, also set the printing quality. 600 dpi is okay for me. Now you can upscale your document or downscale, vice versa. Select two-sided printing, but in this case, of course, you will need to turn your pages manually after each print. Also print headers and footers if you have them in your document. Background graphics, but Gmail doesn't have background graphics. Also, you can print using the Windows System dialog. Let me show you one thing in this dialog. In this dialog, there is nothing important except more settings. If you click on more settings in this dialog, it takes you to the Samsung printing dialog, and you can switch between tabs to set up your print. And all settings are about the same as in application, but you have one more setting, echo printing here, so you can enable echo printing as well, and click on OK. Once you're done, just click on print and wait for printer to do its job. There is no way to switch back to the applications dialog, so if you need to do this, just close this dialog, and then you need to print from scratch. Go to this email, click on the printing icon, adjust your settings once again, and click on print. So, good job. Let's move ahead. To scan to your computer, you need to have a scanner application. So open Windows Microsoft Store or Apple App Store, then search for scanner and install one of application from the search results. Unfortunately, most of them are paid or freemium. It means the free version is pretty limited, and for full version you need to pay. But I will show you a free application by Samsung. It's named Samsung Printer Experience. I know it's rated pretty low because it's poor in interface and functionality, but it's native and it still works for simple scanning. So you can start with this application and find something better for you later. So install this application and open it. So here is your home page, but before clicking on the scan button, you need to place your document correctly in the scanning unit of your printer. So open the scanning unit lid and place your document facing down and align the top left corner with the top left corner of the scanning surface. So align the document like this. By the way, you have the arrow pointing to the corner. So align the corners like this and align the edges of the document with the borders of the scanning surface. Also notice your paper size. You have paper size markers over here on the both sides. It's A4 in my case. And once you're done, just close the scanning lid. Then in the application, click on Scan, and a strange thing is happening. It's already scanning, but actually this is not your scan result yet. This is like a warming up process for the scanner. And once it's done, you can adjust your settings. Select Scan Profile, Image Scanning, Document Scanning, or Book Scanning. Let's select Document. Image Type, True Color Gray or Black and White. Document Size, A4 in our case, as we already know. Document Source, you have no options here, just flatbed only. Resolution, 300 or less or more. It's okay for me. And once you're done, just click on Scan. And now this is real scanning process started. Once the scanning is completed, you can rename your file. Select file type. For documents, I recommend you PDF, especially if you want to create multiple page documents, because only PDF supports multiple pages. So let's select PDF. Let's select quality, that'll be normal. And also you can make some edits to your page. You can rotate the page. You can flip the page horizontally or vertically. You can crop the page like this. And you can reset the changes or delete this page. If you need to add additional pages to this document, first click on Scan More, then adjust your settings. You can, for example, combine color pages and grayscale pages, combine different quality and even different paper sizes. Next, insert the second page of your document into the scanning unit. And click on Scan. Now you have two pages in your document. Unfortunately, you can't reorder these pages. It's very sad. And even these V marks don't work. You can't unselect pages. Do not include them in your document. You can just click on Save and save your results. It saves your PDF scans in its own scan image library, but if you want to open them in a Windows folder, you need to open File Explorer, go to Pictures, and select the Scan folder. And here's your file 123.pdf. To print from iPhone, you need just to make sure that your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer or connected to the printer directly. Then open any file or any email, let's say files, some file, tap on the share icon at the bottom left, select print, and let me skip going through the print settings again. Just make sure your printer is selected in this drop down, adjust your settings over here and tap on print and your document will be printed. The scanning situation is just as frustrating as it is on computer, because the only free application I could find is native HP Samsung mobile print and it's rated 1.7. But let me show you what you need to do to start to scan in this application. Just allow notifications, accept the terms and conditions, hit OK, allow to use location, yes. And now you need to select device at the top. If you can't tap on the screen, just restart the application. Open it once again. Now you can tap on the screen and select your device first. Allow to find devices on local network. Allow, select your printer. Now go to the Scan tab and tap on the gear icon to adjust your scan settings. They are pretty the same as on the computer. Don't forget to select the file type. If you need PDF multi-page, tap on that. And then just tap on scan button, place your document first, tap on scan button and follow the instructions to scan multiple pages. To print and scan on Android, don't forget to make sure that your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your printer or to the printer directly. And also you need to open Google Play Store and search for Samsung Print, or rather Samsung Printer, and install these two applications. The first one is Samsung Print Service plugin. So tap on that, install. Then open this application, swipe left to the end and accept the terms and conditions. Press OK, enable notifications, allow, and allow nearby Wi-Fi devices. This is necessary as well. Allow. Now you don't need to tap on that three dots, you can just close the application. And actually you already can start printing from any application that allows you to print. And let me skip the printing step because it's pretty the same as on iPhone. But you can go back to your search result, search for Samsung Printer and install Samsung Mobile Print that allows you to scan. It's also rated low, but as an iPhone, this is the only free alternative. So install this app. Once installed, open it. Allow access to manage all files. Go back. Now give this permission as well. Give all permissions to this application if you want to use it correctly. Allow all. This step you can skip because it often fails. So press don't show again, skip. And now you need to add your printer to this application to scan. So tap on select device at the bottom and connect your printer by shared Wi-Fi or directly. Let's connect via shared Wi-Fi. Now your printer is connected and it makes some sounds. And to scan, you can, by the way, you can print from this application. Tap on document and you have all documents on your device in one place. You can print any of this document. And click on scan icon to scan documents. So the process is pretty the same. Set your paper, color, grayscale, quality, source, more settings here. File type, don't forget about PDF option. Click on scan and follow the instructions to scan multiple PDF document. That's it. Now all your devices are completely set up for Wi-Fi printing and scanning on Samsung Xpress M2070W, and I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. Bye guys.